spike in COVID-19 cases has a group of mayors in Miami-Dade taking action to slow the spread. Today's mask mandate will impact people in cities across the county. CBS 4's Peter Dench is live at Miami City Hall in Coconut Grove with the details. Peter.
Well, Lauren, we can tell you that 19 of Miami-Dade's 34 cities will now be requiring masks in public. Among those cities are Miami, Miami Beach, Miami Gardens, and Hialeah. Now, Miami Mayor Francis Suarez says violators can face misdemeanor citations and fines. He says this new measure is all about saving lives.
What we've seen, as Mayor Gelber and I said last Monday, is an increasingly troubling trend of cases that have been continuing to escalate.
Francis Suarez joins 12 other Miami-Dade mayors saying they are alarmed by the recent rise in coronavirus cases.
We've seen a spike, and we're not only paying attention to it, but we need to immediately stop it and we need to reverse it.
The only way we beat this thing is if we decide we're going to beat this thing.
And so Suarez announces this new rule.
We are going to be implementing a masks in public rule.
And that will be enforced.
Enforcement will be a challenge, but just like when we implemented a stay-at-home order, one of the things we wanted to make sure was that our residents understood what was the best way for them to protect themselves.
We're also here reminding everyone that we will enforce those rules. This is not over.
Until now, masks had just been required for employees and visitors inside businesses in Miami-Dade. The mayor said they, too, will require facial coverings in public.
We don't enjoy wearing masks in public. We don't enjoy the extra precautions that we have to take. We're doing it because it's necessary for us to actually live and move forward as a community.
Suarez has seen some disturbing trends.
We are extremely concerned that hospitalizations are up. Ventilators are up.
There's also been an increase in people testing positive for the coronavirus in Miami-Dade. On June 16th, 12.8% of those tested were positive. It rose to 13.2% on June 20th and dropped to 8.9% on Sunday, June 21st.
It is very clear this is real. And people can argue about the number of positives being related to more testing, but they can't argue with the percentage, which is now over 10%, which is what the CDC says tells you have too much virus in your community. We have too many sick people coming to our hospitals right now. It's not going in the right direction.
Now, in a statement, Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez says he drove around Miami and Miami Beach this past weekend and saw too many people too close together and not wearing masks. He says he'll meet with his medical experts tomorrow to see if the use of masks in public in less congested areas in unincorporated Miami-Dade is necessary. We're live at Miami City Hall. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.